Overall, I think it's pretty cool. You get it going, and then you see it's already shaking around and moving like crazy. But you hang it on your door or whatever, and this is automatic for the cat. It's bouncing around. If you were looking for an automatic cat toy for your feline, or in my case, my little Jack Russell option, this could be a good one. The Ioplaya, very hard name to say. This is an automatic recharging one. Woo, you see it popping there, hit that button, recharges, and then you back it up and it's got this little guy that pulls all around. You do need a pretty high attachment, so I'm gonna set this right over here, but you see it kind of bouncing around, flinging right there in the side. I'll scoot over a little closer. And you can see how a little cat, again, I'm outdoors, would love this. Overall, I think it's pretty cool. Value, I'll give it an 8 out of 10. Durability, I'll actually probably give it a 8 out of 10 as well. You know, I haven't seen how long it's gonna last long term. And then overall, I'm gonna go with a solid 9.2. Right here, really easy to get this thing charged and fixed. Comes with an extra string, has feathers. You can hear the kiddos over there playing with it. Again, you can check this out. Overall, we like it here at Michelle Reviews. If you would hit that like button, hit subscribe, and check out the channel for other quick reviews. This guy, you know, pretty simple, straightforward, but it's actually quite a bit of fun to have a couple of these around, maybe do your own strings, and again, just kind of neat. Glad I picked it up. See ya.